Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do a quick egg drop soup recipe. First, let's get some water and just boil it to prep for later use. Alright, first let's chop the onions into pieces. Right? First, you want to cut those white ones bigger, and then chop the green ones into smaller pieces, right? Let's get some butter. 1 teaspoon. Turn on the heat to low and just melt the butter. And then saute the white part of the onion. And then now we'll chop the tomatoes into pieces. Once you chop the tomatoes into pieces, just saute them. Get a spatula and then just kind of stir them so they don't stick to the pot. Kind of swing it a little bit, just make it look professional. Put a teaspoon of sugar. It enhances the flavor of the tomatoes. Continue to stir so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Just get a little bit of ketchup, and then it enhances the flavor and kind of also make the color look nicer later as well. Continue to stir with the spatula. Once the water is boiling, make sure you get something like a towel or something because it's really hot. And then pour the water into the tomato. Stir a little bit and then just let it boil. Now we'll prep the eggs. Let's crack it open. You can add more eggs if you want. I think 4 eggs is decent for the thickness of the soup. Get a whisker. Simmer the tomato for like maybe 5 minutes, and then put a little bit of salt. Depends on your taste. I put like 1.5 teaspoon, and then it's kind of my flavor. And then now bring the water to full boil, all the way up, and then pour the egg liquid in like a little circular motion. Slowly and steady. And then once it's back to boiling again, you can kind of turn the heat off and then use the spatula to stir it a little bit. Now time to serve. Top it off with some green part of the onions. Again, stir it a little bit. You can also top it off with some hot sesame oil. I think it enhances the flavor, so it's got a really robust flavor. And here it is, a quick recipe for the tomato egg drop soup. Let me know if you have any questions.